Hello everyone, today on lovegardening.com I'm going to show you how to prep a veg bed. So I've got a veg bed here that's a bit tired, it's full of weeds and I want to get it back to raring to go, ready to put lots of veg plants in, which I've got here. An awful lot of weeds in this bed, things like this which is hairy bittercress. It looks really sweet and innocent and it's really easy to pull out, but once it flowers and it sets seeds, its seeds explode and it can absolutely cover a bed like this. And there's a saying, 1 year's seed is 7 years weed. So we don't want 7 years worth of weeds, so they've all got to come out. It's also important to kind of break up any big clods of earth. We want the soil to be really nice and friable for any seeds or young plants that we put in. All those tiny roots. Will be great for an easy pathway, so the more crumbly and friable we can make the soil, the better. Now it's time to add some manure. Now this is well-rotted farmyard manure. It's brilliant for the job. It will really kind of reinvigorate the soil and fill it full of nutrients, which is definitely lacking right now. You could use homemade compost if you have it, that is also excellent, but I don't, so this is the next best thing. So I think I'm about there with that side now, and just look at the difference. This has taken me, what, half an hour to prep, and that one, you can see. It doesn't look very welcoming to new fruit and vegetables, does it? So now it's time to get plants in. First up, I've got some lettuce to go in. This is baby leaf mix, so it's a bit of a variety, and I'm going to just put them in a couple of rows down the front of the bed. So it's really important to just be really gentle and kind of tease those roots away. These are really dry, so they need a drink. They really do need a drink. So as soon as I pop those in, one of the first things I'm going to do is water them in. And it's just a matter of firming them down into their new positions. So I'll probably give them a drink now, and then I'll give them a drink again when I water the whole bed. Now when you're planting plug plants like this, you really want them to be planted as deep as they are in their actual pot. Don't plant them any deeper, don't plant them any higher up. It's all about kind of planting them the same level as they came in their original container. Next up, I've got lots of different things from the brassica family. So I've got some pointed cabbage, some purple sprouting broccoli and some Brussels sprouts. And I think I'm just going to finish my bed with rows of these going all the way back. And there we go. Now all that's left to do is give everything a really big drink. Now in order to get the best results from your veg, the key is to keep it really weed-free, well watered, and a good feed every now and again. So something like a liquid tomato food would be perfect for this. Maybe once every couple of weeks, just to keep on top of things, because they are hungry plants. Now that really is all there is to it. Now if you've got any video ideas that you'd like to see, do get in touch with our media team. Otherwise, for any more how-to videos, visit lovegardening.com.